Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For today's recipe, we're showing you how to make these delicious lunch wraps. From now on, for all of our videos, we're going to be providing you with the calories for each meal that we create, as well as a macronutrient breakdown. So for the tortilla lunch wrap, it consists of 256 calories, with 28% of those from fat, 55% from carbohydrates, and 18% from protein. And for our really low calorie option, the lettuce wrap only adds up to 140 calories, with 27% of those from fat, 51% from carbohydrates, and 22% from protein. So for this recipe, we used a tortilla, 5 slices of tomatoes, 2 outer lettuce leaves, 12 chicken squares, 8 rings of onion, and a tablespoon of hot sauce. The hot sauce is optional. You can sub it out for another sauce if you'd like. Honestly, you don't even actually need sauce because the waters from each of these ingredients pretty much create its own natural sauce, which is absolutely delicious, and I love it without hot sauce. But for those of you who love spice, you can obviously add in your hot sauce. And that goes for any other ingredients. You can sub this out for anything else. For example, the protein of choice for us was chicken, but you can also put tofu, fish, or whatever you'd like. So you're going to start off by getting your tortilla and cutting a quarter like so. Then you can go ahead and add all your ingredients into the 4 different corners. Now, I actually saw this on TikTok and I thought it was genius. You can just fold your wrap like so, and the ingredients inside don't fall out as fast as they would if it was just folded in half. Then you can go ahead and grill this in your panini press, or if you don't have this, you can obviously just grill it on a stove. So for the next recipe, we used pretty much the exact same ingredients, except instead of using a tortilla wrap, we used lettuce. This is a great alternative for those of you who are watching your carbs. The majority of carbs that you get from it is from fiber, which is really good for your digestive health and many other systems in your body. So we just decided to roll this one like so. And just like before, we just grilled it in our panini press. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated with our latest content. You can click the video on the left to see our video on how to make chicken cutlets and nuggets. They're actually the exact same recipe for the squares that we had in this video. They were just cut into squares. And on the right, you can click to see our most recent video.